My name's Tom Cutts. I do a lot of cooking. In my past, I've worked at a restaurant, so I've got some pretty strong kitchen chops. And so I'm more interested in how it works with food and how you compare it. Then I came across the Alchema and got involved with that and been enjoying creating my own custom things. It's so easy. It really intrigued me that being able to customize it. Most people, of course, when they think of cider, they're going to think of either pear cider or apple cider. And those are going to fit into sort of a very narrow flavor profile. But the Alchema gives you the opportunity to make all kinds of unique things, and you can actually create, like I created a cranberry cider that you could serve with Thanksgiving. It's just a very effective way to sort of explore your creativity and enjoy stuff and create something custom. You know, if you've got somebody who's got a special event of some sort, their birthday or whatever coming up, you make a custom cider for them and give it. It's just a really special thing to share with people. I think most people are probably thinking they can't do this, but in reality, it is so simple, and they've streamlined the process and made it so exacting that it really is basically foolproof. If you could make breakfast cereal, if you can pour cereal in a bowl and put milk on it, you can make cider. My next plan with Alchema. I was thinking about that actually after I did my last batch, which was a strawberry rhubarb, and it came out really nice. And so I was sitting there thinking, well, what else could I make? And I was looking at all these crazy things, like I've got some chopped kale, and I was thinking, oh, kale, how could you do a kale cider? And then I started getting really crazy, and then I decided, like, you're going way off the deep end. Nobody wants to taste kale cider. So I don't know where it goes. I've done some pretty adventurous stuff. The mango habanero salsa cider was an interesting experiment. So I think my direction is probably going to be more, I'm going to stick with more conventional, maybe dessert profiled flavors, but be somewhat adventurous with them, like the strawberry rhubarb. I don't think anybody had ever thought about using rhubarb in a cider. So things along that lines. My favorite part about Alchema, I would have to say my favorite part is just the flexibility, the customizing, being able to make whatever comes into your mind.